Hi everyone, Fast Car Mobile at it again, out here in Butler, North Carolina, at Murdoch Center, out here in the parking lot. The guy had a 1994 Chevy Silverado 1500. I'm doing a brake change on it. Just a little bit about what I got going on. Getting it done. 1994 Chevy Silverado 1500, Butler, North Carolina. I come to wherever you need me to come. Fast Car Mobile would be there. If you don't want to take off work, I come to your job. Because this is what I'm doing now. The guy didn't want to take off work, so I'm at his job repairing his truck for him. Brake change. New brakes is on. Fast Car